For those of you who suffer from menstrual pain, please give it a try. Hello everyone, I'm Catherine. The product I'm going to review today is the MORECUP. Among women, I'm sure you've all heard of menstrual cups. It's a product that can remove the disadvantages of sanitary pads or tampons and replace it with a better product. These days, people's perception has changed, so I think people are a lot more likely to use this product. Well, at the very beginning, I would also use sanitary pads, but I felt like they didn't really fit with me. I didn't like the feeling of the pad dripping with blood, and then eventually it stings and also gets itchy, so we don't like that. Then I tried tampons. It was way better than sanitary pads. It wasn't bothersome while I was going for leisure activities, and I could even swim as much as I liked with them. However, I was still worried about menstrual cramps and the tampon residue that could remain in the body. Also, the fact that I had to wake up in the middle of the night and replace the tampon was quite annoying. So, eventually, I settled for a menstrual cup. Cut to the chase, it's really good. I took this video to let everyone know how comfortable and nice it is. After using the menstrual cup, I actually realized that the cause of my period pain was the chemicals in tampons and sanitary pads. Also, once you get used to the menstrual cup, it's really comfortable. Besides, once you wear it, you can keep it in for 12 hours, so none of that bothersome changing over whilst you're outside. I heard that menstrual cups are made of medical grade silicone, which is harmless to the body, so you can feel safe while using it. This is what the MORECUP looks like. It's a silicone cup in a silicone case, and this is the part where you can adjust the diameter, making it 3 sizes. I tried different products too, and there are 2 main different types for menstrual cups. The bell type for comfort and the ball type with high capacity. I really like the MORECUP because it's a combination of these 2 types. If the cup is squishy, you'll be able to insert it easily and it's good for beginners. However, since you have to fold the product, you need to stretch it and insert it properly. But squishy ones won't stretch properly, so it won't be able to stretch to fit and fill up the space to prevent it from leaking. On the other hand, if it's too hard and stiff, it would be a bit uncomfortable and also difficult to put in. The reason I love the MORECUP was because it's kind of in between being squishy and being stiff. Additionally, each cup has a different capacity, and as you can see, it doesn't actually bleed as much as you might think it would. Also, when you use the menstrual cup, you can wear them for up to 12 hours, so it's not inconvenient, so you don't need to change it while you're out and about. It's really convenient to use menstrual cups, but one thing you need to take special care of is hygiene. Menstrual cups are meant to be inserted into the vagina, so you have to be very cautious about this. The silicone case of the MORECUP looks pretty, and also it can be boiled and sterilized with the cup. So I was very satisfied with this because we need to sterilize everything at the beginning and the end of the period. The menstrual cup is the best product that you can use to try and have a happier period, and all you need to do is really get the bravery to try it out. However, there are many people who struggle to try it out because of the high entry barrier. I think the biggest reason behind this is about the size selection and also the insertion. So if you are struggling with it for the first time, you could use some water or some gel for women in order to make the insertion easier. Frankly, I think you'll only manage to do it if you follow the very nice instruction book that comes with the MORECUP. When you use the MORECUP, you can actually feel that your quality of life during your period has changed. No matter how much I toss and turn during sleep, it never leaks as long as I put it in the right way. Now you can say goodbye to those days of you falling asleep with concerns of your period and leaking during the night. Well, since I'm very satisfied with it, I think I'll continue to use it. For those of you who suffer from menstrual pain, please give it a try. Don't just let your daily life, leisure and travel be cancelled or disrupted by your period. I hope you all have a better and more pleasant period with the MORECUP.